Give me a hell yeah.
It's Wednesday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa This Wednesdays with Viva, only on Harriet. And today, we are going to take a look at Ang Kapitbahay, starring Chester Gracia, Christine Bermas, and Clifford Pusing. This is Clifford Pusing's first movie since Bugaw. Christine Bermas, we've seen her recently, lalo na sa Will to Win. Chester Gracia, we've also seen him recently. So, mga known works si Chester Gracia is like Punit na Langit. Ngayon, yung bumabiyahe si Angelica Tayuan, ayun. Christine Bermas, Will to Win. He was also Nightbird, Maniac, and we also have some upcoming Viva Max movies. And we're going to take a look at that at the end of the review. So if you like the bold review of Ang Kapitbahay, aka The Neighbor, then go check out this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa This Wednesdays with Viva, only on Harriet. We are less than 400 subscribers away before we get to 8,000. So thank you very much for all of your support. We are malapit na tayo sa ating goal, and as mentioned on one of my videos, we are expanding through other content again. Dati kasi isa on Dissidia Final Fantasy Opera Omnia content creator. When it folded, I went into Viva Max, and we're going back with a bang dahil ayun, bumabalik tayo sa mga gacha games like Zenless Zone Zero and Honkai Star Rail. So if you like more of those, branching out, ayun, paki-subscribe! Subscribe! Diba? Yun siya sabi ni Mr. Pogi. So ayun, Ang Kapitbahay. A very generic title, but it gets complicated. So we follow the life of Alex. He is a college student na marunong daw manghak. It's quite perfect timing kasi may lumapit sa akin sa Facebook regarding hacking. Kung may kilala daw akong IT na nang-hack, di ba? And syempre wala akong kilala, ba't ko naman sasabihin? Teka, on ko lang yung aircon. Kung may katrabaho ko, kung marunong mang-hack, syempre di naman against company policies yun eh. And perfect timing ito pelikula na to kasi yun yung parang hinahanap nung kausap ko. Mind you, this is Alex. He is a college student and hacking daw yung kanyang prowess. Pero hindi naman ito na-display as a certain plot, as a central plot in the movie. It's just parang mag-happen just to have him connected with Rose, si Christine Bermas. So Rose is the neighbor or yung nananahan sa neighboring unit ng condominium na pinagtitirahan nito ni Alex. And yung condominium ni Rose conveniently has some two blind spots. Yung entrance sa pinto ng condominium ni Rose and yung mismong kwarto. And it's like every night nakikita ni Alex na pinipleasure ni Rose yung sarili niya. And Alex became obsessed. So Alex is like the voyeur of Rose. At na-obsessed siya. He even tells his friends about it. And he wants to make moves with Rose. So Alex was eating caught Rose like smoking while he's eating ice cream, and parang inconveniently na-lock yung iPhone ata ni Rose, and si Alex yung nag-unlock using his hacker skills, diba? Which is hindi naman, siguro 30 minutes lang naman yung ano eh. Ewan, di ako iPhone user. Then it's parang nagpakitang gilas ito si Alex kay Rose, and Alex imagines him and Rose having sex with each other. Speaking of sex, there was a initial sex scene here na natatnan ni Alex sa stairway ng kanyang condominium, and dito niya first time nakita si Rose, and dito siya na-obsess, and then binusuhan niya, and then nagpakilala siya. Imagine having sex with Rose, and di naman pala, natunaw yung ice cream. Yeah, sayang yung ice cream. It's a pint. I don't know what a pint is, pero yung mga pang solo pack ng Selecta. Ayan. We then find out the character of Chester Gracia, si General. General, walang pangalan. He is our General. Ayun. And he is like the undisputed sponsor ng Thunderbird, yung pampakain ng mga manok. And ito nadaratnan dahil nga nagboboyor itong si Alex. Nakikita niya nakikipagtalik itong si Rose kay General, si our General. Time for the master stroke, di ba? Ayun. When it comes to the mature scenes, it's very basic. It's very Christine Permas-ish. You got scissors there. You got a dog style. You got Christine Permas' favorite spot, yung parang naka-spaghetti strap siya na dress. As hindi siya nagbabra. That's like, yeah, that's your typical Christine Permas spots. So the General actually knows that Alex is doing some voyeurism at winarningan siya regarding Rose, and this is starting to get a little bit suspicious. Pero itong si Alex hindi nakinig, niligawan niya itong si Rose, and they had sex on the veranda, yung forbidden place ng condominium. When they come back, our General actually is in the room waiting for them and pulls Rose away from Alex. Now, Alex knows that Rose is getting hurt from all the BDSM na ginagawa ni our General sa atin, and Rose wants out. So they scheme this plan where Rose will fake having one night stand with the General at kukunin ni Rose yung barrel while the General is in bondage, and take all of the General's money. And it worked. Okay? It worked kasi nakatali si General, and then the gun, Rose took it, Alex was filming it. Filming yung phone, using the camera phone. So bigla na umalis itong si Rose on the scene. Si Rose daw, siguro nag-withdraw or something. I don't know. Dito, nalaman natin backstory ni Rose. Rose is actually a faker. So, she is like a double agent. She's a Jane Doe. Diba? And hindi talaga niya tunay ang identity si Rose. And the General actually knows her by some names like Lily, Camellia, Magnolia, etc. And she never repeats the names of flowers. And dito nagkaroon ng doubt sa puso ni Alex na peke si Rose, until Rose came back to the unit. And this is when it gets dirty kasi nakawala itong si General from the bondage, tries to attack both Alex and Rose. Rose subdued the General, but also subdued Alex, and we all know the backstory of it all. It was all of Rose's plan. So she went, nabangga, sa simula pa lang ng pelikula, nabangga ni Alex si Rose. Rose has been spying on Alex all along, and Rose is actually a criminal according to the flashback na binigay ni General. Rose left with all the money. Alex woke up from the sedative na binigay ni Rose sa kanya, points the gun at the General, thinking Rose will come back, pero dumating na yung mga tauhan ni General, and it was all a ruse to frame Alex from all of what Rose is doing. The movie ends with Rose being free, and the last words pala na sinabi niya kay Alex is, "Ako ang iyong kapitbahay." Yeah, it's a thriller. Hindi ko i-expect yung It was very boring at the start. It got interesting at the end. was very boring na natutulog ako talaga sa point ng movie na to. Like, there's too much yapping. Ayun. And segs is actually mid. But it felt it dragged on for too long, and this is a 51-minute movie. So, I'm not really impressed dito sa pelikula na to given the caliber ni Miss Vermas sa Viva Max. Okay, so we are going to look at our tier list and we are going to rate ang Kapitbahay. Ang Kapitbahay will be around, saan na yun? Ayan. I think ang Kapitbahay will be around, yeah, I think ang Kapitbahay, no, it's not a copium. I'll be just, quite frankly, ang Kapitbahay will be at the just about bearable tier. Yeah, it's just about bearable. It's very boring at the start. It gets interesting at the end. Yun yung masasabi ko. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We will be having a Fridays with Viva Max kasi ito na yun. This Wednesdays with Viva. And the next time we're going to be having a bold review is Sundays with Private Tutor. So we're bringing back review Sundays. We're doing this kasi we got a PO migration, purchase order migration sa trabaho ko. And it will be a very busy week. Busy this week, busy next week. We'll see about the bold review for next week. But Private Tutor, that is on Tuesday dapat. We're going to use Viva Max Plus and watch it. I will watch it this Sunday or Saturday, and the review will be premiered on Sunday. This Sundays with Viva. Yeah. So that's going to be it for our review, recap, and react. Furthermore, I will be looking at this new Viva Max movies. So we got Salsa ni El. We got Tahong. Salsa ni El. We got Tahong. We got Obsession, Halinghing, Krista, Doncelia, and Undergrads. So these are like your October lineups para sa Viva Max. So I'm looking forward to them, quite frankly. And it's going to be like a huge parang ayun, alin dito yung una. May huling tingin pa dito, no? Gayuma. Salsa ni El. Ayan. Sige, lagay na natin Tahong, Obsession. Alam ko yung huli, Krista, Halinghing, Doncelia, Undergrads. Ayan. That's going to be our coming soon tier. And then, yeah, we have placed it just about bearable. So, download natin. We're going to save this. I'm going to upload this siguro sa community tab ng ating YouTube. And that's it going to for today. We are going to review Private Tutor this Sunday. Yeah, thank you for watching. Good morning, everyone. It's good morning and goodbye. Bam.